I think public transportation in the US sucks, and it's a big problem for Latinos. I thought, what better way to show this problem than by taking the bus myself and showing all of you how it goes. I'm going to be comparing Long Beach public transportation to cars and seeing how long it takes me to get to downtown Long Beach from East Long Beach. Starting a stopwatch and ending it when I get to my destination. U.S. cities are built for cars, leading to inefficient public transport. Transportation systems like local metro lines are often delayed and aren't comprehensive enough for people to get to places without walking far distances from their stops. I currently live in East Long Beach and I have to walk 10 minutes to the nearest stop while also dealing with frequent delays. This is a big issue for the Chicano community in the U.S. For example, here in LA County, the Latino community only makes up around 48% of the total population, but makes up 60% of the bus riders and 50% of rail users. The bus got delayed. Public transportation matters especially to Latinos because, number one, having access to comprehensive public transport has shown to have massive impacts on economic development. A study conducted by Harvard in 2015 found that in neighborhoods with public transportation stops, the children of that neighborhood grew up to earn more income than those without. This is because good public transport allows people with little income to go to areas with more opportunity and good jobs without having to pay for a car. Number two, another reason why public transport is so important for Chicanos is that it improves the environment. This is important for Chicanos not just because they live on this planet like all of us, but also because many Latino communities, like the one I'm riding through right now, are most affected by climate change. Particularly here in East Long Beach, this area has terrible air quality and is poorly forested. This means that by having less trees in the neighborhood, the temperature gets hotter than those with more trees and becomes almost unbearable in the summer. Number three, it improves walkability and subjective enjoyment from residents. A study done in 2015 measuring urban vitality, which is a concept to describe the livability and sustainability of cities, found that public transportation was one of the most important factors to creating urban vitality. In conclusion, public transportation in the U.S. is chronically underfunded, inaccessible, and inefficient, which causes major problems to Latino communities who rely on it the most by negatively affecting them economically, making their communities less walkable, and killing the planet, which disproportionately affects their neighborhoods. Alright, well, we finally made it here in downtown Long Beach. Let's see how long it took. I'm going to stop the timer. Took us just 40 minutes. Now we can compare that to how long it would take on car, just around 12 minutes. This is just one example of how delayed and inefficient public transport can be. If you want to do something about this, you should look up policies and politicians in your area that will benefit public transport, or just go out and ride the bus, you know?